Hello everyone, it's Hanny with my Junk Journal Embellishment Challenge number 43, and the prompt is Valentine, and I'm going to make an embellishment like this. I will get it. This one, 3 little envelopes. So it isn't an envelope. Well, you could, this is an envelope, but I'm going to make this. And that's 3 little envelopes. 2 years ago I made some more Valentine embellishments, and I made a video of that. I put a link in the description below. I make a heart and a cluster and also these little envelopes. But today I show you how I made those 3 envelopes. What you need is a book page or some other pages or papers. It could be pattern papers, but I like to use book papers. So I get this book paper. I will cut the blank pieces off. And what you need more is some rhinestones or little hearts you cut out. I cut out little hearts, but I'll show you later. Glue, of course, scissors, so the first thing I'm going to do is cut these blank edges off, and I have text on both sides. Well, one side is enough. Just plain text. I want to have different sizes of little envelopes. Well, this size of width, a small size, something like that, and something in between, I think, something like that. And if you want measurements, a bit bigger, baby. If you want measurements, I will measure it, well, something like that, and maybe another one. Well, this is, well, I think this is okay. Maybe another one, a bit smaller. So I have 4 sizes now, but I will use 3. So I think I'm going to use this one, and the little one, or this one. Well, maybe I'll make all 4. Oh yeah, and you need some ink, red ink. Stazon I have St. Valentine, and I have Distress Ink Barn Door. I use those for coloring the edges. I get the biggest one now. So what I'm going to do is I put the text upside down, because I'm going to fold it this way and this way, so the text will be well, the right way. If you have pattern paper, if you use that, you have to see if the pattern is running okay. You know what I mean? I hope so. Well, I put this upside down, and I want to have the middle, so I'm going to search for the middle. So I squeeze a little bit so I know where the middle is, and I'm going to fold a little triangle that way, and the other side that way. I'm going to fold it that way, leaving a little straight edge like so. So you have, see, a little straight edge, not like that. You can do that, but I like this more. And now I'm going to fold it this way because I want to measure, or to, well, so I can see what the size of the little envelope will be. I can do it this way, but then I won't see it. I have not this thingy, the flap. I can't see the flap, so I do it this way. Then I cut it. Like so. Then I'm going to color the edges with, well, I use Barn Door. Just to color the edges a bit, so you have a bit more Valentine-ish look. I'm going to fold it, and then I'm going to do that side and that side. So now I'm going to glue just only this tip just over there. And then I'm going to glue a little heart or a little rhinestone on there, just for fun. You can do a little heart. I show you the difference. If you do a little heart, it looks like this or this. Huh? You glue it on like that, or I will glue a little rhinestone on here on the tip. Like so. So that's one. Now I'm going to make one of those upside down. Squeeze a bit the middle. You can measure, of course, if you don't want to squeeze. And then I'm going to fold like so. Fold it this way, like so. Then I'm going to fold it this way, cut it, ink it, the outside, because you won't see the inside. You can do it with a, well, such a thing, of course. But I like it a bit rough. And then I'm going to glue this. I have to do the edges, coloring the edges, but I can do it afterwards, like so. And then my little rhinestone, where are they? There they are. And I'm going to use a bit of glue. sticks, but it doesn't stick enough. So I will put it on there. That's number 2. And now I'm going to make a little one. Which one? Maybe this one. Upside down. Squeeze. Oh, I think I'm going to cut a bit off because there's blank and I like text on it. So the squeeze is still there. Fold. And fold. And Oklahoma. It says Oklahoma. You see Oklahoma. And this way. Cut it off. Ink. Fold it the right way. And ink. Glue the tip. A bit of glue there. And a rhinestone or a little heart. What you want to use. And put it on the right place, like so. Well, now I have 3 little envelopes, and now I'm going to glue them together to one embellishment. You can use them separate, of course, whatever you want. You can glue it one on a tag, or on a journal page, or whatever you want to make. Or on an envelope. But I'm going to glue 3 together. Something like that. I could do it behind. I do it that way. Just gluing them together. 3 little envelopes. Something like that, whatever you want, maybe a bit like so. So you have a little embellishment, and this one I glued on a paper clip. I made a little envelope of a scrap paper, so here I use it as a closure. And how I'm going to do that? Well, this is a piece of paper. It's a bit too small. I get a piece of paper. Put the paper clip on, like so, and I want a little one to clip. So I'm gluing this side on the. You could do it a bigger piece, but this is okay. You can remove the paper clip if you want to afterwards. It's a bit clogged, but I have enough. See if it's the right way. Yep. And I'm going to glue the paper clip on a bit higher, like so. And if you don't do that, well, you can use it on a tag like this, but now you can put them on a page or whatever, like so. You see? And like I said, you can make envelopes from pattern papers, glue little hearts on it. I can make a little envelope for you with a heart so you can see. I'll make one. One envelope. I do a quick one. Well, I glue this one without inking. So you can see how it looks when you don't ink it. And you can glue a little heart on it over there. I punched him out of this paper. You see, glitter paper. I punched the hearts out with I punch little heart punches. This is a very little heart, and this is a bit bigger. So, well, that's it. So, like I said, what you need is book paper, paper clip if you want to, rhinestones, little hearts, glue, ink, tweezers, yeah. Scissors and a cutting machine or a knife and a ruler and a cutting mat, and you can make little envelopes. So this is my little envelope embellishment. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.